You're traveling to a French-speaking country, and you're a little intimidated because you don't know the language. Ne t'inquiète pas. Even just un peu de préparation before the trip will set you up for success. You most likely know bonjour, but when being less familiar with people, greetings can change depending on the time of day. Bonjour. Bonsoir. When you become more familiar with people or meet people close to your age group, it's common to use salut as a greeting. That one works at any time of day. Salut! Bonjour. Or if it's later in the evening when you're watching this, bonsoir. Je suis Malcolm, a French teacher for Babbel Live. If you want to really learn le français, you should check out the resources Babbel offers, from our self-study app to live classes, and of course, you can subscribe here. But today I'm sharing a super quick survival guide for a French-speaking holiday. We'll cover the basics of getting around, asking for help, and making the most of your trip. Whether you're wandering le Musée d'Orsay in Paris or relaxing on the beach in Cannes, allons-y! There's a few ways to ask how someone's doing. Comment ça va? Ça va? A simple go-to response to all these questions. Ça va? Ça va bien, merci. If you need to know where anything is, you can always ask où est and add on whatever it is that you're looking for. Où est le musée? Où est le métro? In French, we don't usually ask people where the bathroom is. We literally ask where the toilets are because les toilettes is plural. We change où est to où sont. Où sont les toilettes? Gestures can go a long way, and it can also help to know directions. À la droite, à la gauche, et continuez tout droit. We all want to be polite when we're traveling. Pardon is super useful, whether you've just bumped into a stranger or you're trying to get someone's attention. Pardon. Pardon? In that situation, you can always say excusez-moi, which is also helpful if you don't understand something. Excusez-moi, je cherche la sortie. Excusez-moi, je ne parle pas bien français. Learn what s'il vous plaît and merci mean before your trip. Please and thank you. You'd be surprised at how much those simple words can help you out. If you're ordering food or asking for a check in a restaurant, in all kinds of situations, you can just name the thing you want and add on s'il vous plaît, a cheat code for manners. Un sandwich au jambon s'il vous plaît. L'addition s'il vous plaît. It's fun to have some other ways of asking for something. Here are a couple. J'aimerais un croque-monsieur s'il vous plaît. Je prendrais du champagne s'il vous plaît. There are also different ways to ask how much something costs. Combien coûte la bière? C'est combien? Combien ça coûte? Two other helpful words. Plus et moins. Vous pouvez m'apporter plus d'eau? Moins s'il vous plaît. Let's put it all together. Let's say we're at a cafe. Bonjour.
Bonjour, ça va?
Bien merci. Pardon, je ne parle pas très bien français.
Ne vous inquiétez pas.
Un café au lait s'il vous plaît?
D'accord.
Et pardon, de l'eau?
Une bouteille d'eau?
Combien ça coûte?
2 euros.
Ah ok, oui s'il vous plaît.
Avec ceci?
Non merci.
Ça vous fera 80.
Ok, 4 et 20? Oh, 20. Ah, merci beaucoup.
Bonne journée!
Here are some simpler alternatives to au revoir. Salut! Bonne journée! À plus tard! It might seem challenging to learn a new language before your vacation, but a little really does go a long way. The most important thing is to have fun with it. Check out Babbel if you want to dive deeper, and no matter what, enjoy the process. Bon voyage!